Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by aligning units and getting reliable reference coordinates. Set drawing units to meters or feet and verify your coordinate system. Autocad uses those to position geolocation accurately. Once done, import or note two known points with lat/long or projected x, y values so you can anchor the drawing. Make sure you have access to the required map tiles or an offline package. Without map data, geolocation will be only numeric. Now move to adding the location to the drawing. You now insert the geolocation and tie your CAD model to it. Open the geolocation panel, choose Set Location, and either select from the map or manually enter latitude/longitude or projected coordinates. Place the location marker over the known anchor point. Set the north angle to align true north. Once placed, use the Align command or Precise move with coordinate values to shift and rotate your geometry so it matches the location marker. This gives spatially accurate placement for downstream GIS export or mapping. Finish by validating and saving the geolocation data so it sticks. Export a small test using MapSport or check the drawing's georeference properties to confirm coordinate system and origin were applied. Then sample coordinates of 2 or 3 control points and compare them to your known references to verify accuracy. Small errors indicate rotation or scale issues. If things are off, edit the location marker or repeat align with corrected control points. One troubleshooting tip: if the map tiles don't match, toggle the coordinate system and recheck your control point.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.